Mastering access control. Only one person guarantees operational excellence, the access control enforcer. Who is responsible for ensuring that access control plays a critical role in maintaining operational excellence within our IT service management framework by governing and regulating access to sensitive resources, data, and systems? Within an IT service management framework, the responsibility for ensuring that access control plays a critical role in maintaining operational excellence lies with multiple stakeholders, including 1. Access control owner. The access control owner is accountable for governing and regulating access to sensitive resources, data, and systems. This role is responsible for defining access control policies, procedures, and standards, as well as ensuring their implementation and adherence. The access control owner must collaborate with other stakeholders to identify sensitive assets, assess risks, and develop strategies to mitigate them. 2. IT service owner. The IT service owner is responsible for ensuring that access control is integrated into the design, development, and delivery of IT services. This includes implementing access control measures to prevent unauthorized access, use, disclosure, modification, or destruction of sensitive resources, data, and systems. The IT service owner must work closely with the access control owner to ensure that access control requirements are met. 3. IT operations team. The IT operations team is responsible for the day-to-day management of access control. This includes monitoring and auditing access to sensitive resources, data, and systems, as well as responding to access control incidents. The IT operations team must follow established access control procedures and standards, and report any incidents or exceptions to the access control owner. 4. Security team. The security team provides strategic guidance and oversight on access control matters. This includes conducting risk assessments, threat analysis, and vulnerability management to identify potential access control weaknesses. The security team must work closely with the access control owner and IT service owner to develop and implement access control strategies that align with the organization's overall security posture. 5. Business stakeholders. Business stakeholders, including department heads, managers, and employees, play a critical role in maintaining operational excellence by adhering to access control policies, procedures, and standards. They must also report any access control incidents or concerns to the access control owner or IT operations team. 6. Auditors and compliance officers. Auditors and compliance officers are responsible for ensuring that access control practices comply with relevant laws, regulations, and industry standards. They conduct regular audits and reviews to identify access control gaps and weaknesses, and report their findings to senior management and the access control owner. To ensure that access control plays a critical role in maintaining operational excellence, these stakeholders must collaborate and communicate effectively. This includes defining clear roles and responsibilities, establishing access control policies, procedures, and standards, conducting regular risk assessments and vulnerability management, implementing access control measures, such as identity and access management, role-based access control, and segregation of duties, monitoring and auditing access to sensitive resources, data, and systems, responding to access control incidents and exceptions, providing training and awareness programs for business stakeholders, conducting regular audits and reviews to ensure compliance with laws, regulations, and industry standards. By working together, these stakeholders can ensure that access control is integrated into the organization's IT service management framework, and that sensitive resources, data, and systems are protected from unauthorized access, use, disclosure, modification, or destruction.